Welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a relationship status to your Facebook profile on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo at the top right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Now, click on About. Step 4. In the Overview tab, you'll find Add a Relationship Status. Click on it. Step 5. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Select the desired relationship status that best represents your current situation. Step 6. Once you've selected your desired relationship status, don't forget to click Save to save the changes. By adding your relationship status to your Facebook profile, you can let your friends and connections know about your current relationship status, whether you're single, in a relationship, engaged, married, or any other status. And there you have it. You've successfully added a relationship status to your Facebook profile on PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.